guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is June 6th, 1 month till my 22nd birthday, and I want to vlog for you guys. I have made a pact for myself for the next 6 months that I'm really going to vlog as much as possible because I realized that I have a lot of favorite YouTubers and they're my favorite because I feel like I know the ins and the outs of their life and I feel like we're friends. And I want you guys to start feeling that way with me, and I feel like this is a good way to start. So hopefully you guys are excited. Make sure to subscribe if you like daily vlogs and this is the first time you're seeing my channel. And we're gonna have a lot of fun this summer. I'm excited. I'm just getting ready for the day. Not that I have any crazy plans whatsoever, but it is a really nice day, so I'm probably gonna be hanging out down by the pool. So of course have to put on a little bit, and by that I mean a lot of it, of sunscreen. I've noticed I have like some freckles over here, which I never get, which is not a good sign. So definitely gonna load up on the sunscreen. I just put on a bathing suit and it's gonna be a good day.
Your sister's about to win. It is not difficult. Do whatever you can to stop her.
I don't know what cards she has, so
That's the whole point of the game.
Into the sky. He has no too.
Andrew, congratulations on your win. I'm proud of you.
much appreciated.
Thank you. Today I'm testing out a TikTok theory. I saw something once that if you put an ice cube, this sounds so stupid when I say it out loud, an ice cube in your belly button when you're tanning, then you won't get as hot. So I'm testing it for you guys. I'll let you know, updates to come. But so far, it's kind of working. Right now it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I think we're gonna start fixing up lunch in a little bit. We all slept in, so we had later breakfasts, which means a later lunch, and then probably an even later dinner, but that's okay. I want to show you guys my bathing suit. I got this before I went to the Bahamas, and it's from Shein. In comparison to some of the other suits I've gotten from them, honestly, the quality isn't awful. I definitely don't recommend buying all of your bathing suits from Shein, but if you're looking for a cheaper one, then it definitely works. It's been a little bit since it's been really nice weather like it is today. My dad and my brother just finished setting up the pool basketball hoop, which will be a lot of fun for them, and it's just been really nice to be able to spend some time outside. I think especially for my parents because they both work during the week. I was telling my mom I think she's vitamin D deficient because she just never really steps outside much, so it's just been nice to hang out with each other. This is not smart for me to be doing with one hand, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I guess we're good to move our Uno game now, right? This is beautiful, a beautiful meal. You got it, you got it, you got it! I'm here for moral support, I promise. Oh, it's comfy. So in my last video, which was my college move out video, I mentioned at the end of it that I was quickly packing up a bag to come out to my summer house, and I said that I was probably gonna be here for about 4 or 5 days, and when I got here, I quickly learned that I was very wrong, and we're probably gonna be living here for the majority of the summer, which is incredible, and the fact that I can even say that is just beyond me. I'm just so incredibly grateful. But when I got here, my room obviously was empty because it was just nearly finished and I have no furniture except for that little dresser right back there. So within this past week, we've been making a lot of purchases online, and the first of which to roll in was my bed. Thank God, because I've been sleeping in my brother's room. My brother's been sleeping on the couch. We've been all over the place, and this will just be a lot more comfortable for everyone, especially my brother. I'm really excited that this bed finally came in. I think my bed frame is gonna be coming in the next 4 days or something like that. And then I ordered something super fun to go in this corner. So I plan on doing a full room makeover video, which I think you guys will love, but that probably won't end up going up within the next 3 or so weeks. So make sure to keep on the lookout for that. And I'm just really excited to take you guys through the entire process. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of this vlog. I'm so excited to be vlogging today. Today's Monday, June 8th, I believe, and I've already had such a productive morning, and it's only like 11 o'clock. I posted a video this morning for the first time in 3 weeks, which is crazy. I haven't gone that long without posting in a really, really long time. The first 2 weeks were kind of unintentional because I was at school and I kind of just got carried away because I was hanging out with my friends, but this past week was 100% intentional. I did this along with a lot lot of other creators, I kind of took the week off of posting both on YouTube and on Instagram to make room and amplify the voices of Black men and women who wanted to share their stories, which I think is incredibly important, and I would love to do more of that in the future just to make sure that everyone feels heard. So it was a really empowering week, and I'm really happy that I did it along with a lot of other creators. I feel so much more educated after just 7 days, and I'm excited to implement everything that I've learned over this past week to the rest of my life. So yeah, that was really cool. But right now it's like 11. This is my first time downstairs, and I wanted to come straight outside because it is like, I don't know, I think it's like 70 degrees right now. It's going up to around 80 today, and it's gonna be like that both today and tomorrow. So you know I'm going to be outside pretty much the entire day, and I just feel really in my element here. I feel so calm, and it's a really nice feeling. And I'm just super excited to be taking you guys through my life more so this summer than ever before. It's gonna be so much fun. So I'm gonna go inside and make some breakfast. My mom is on a very important work call, so I need to be quiet, and that means I can't vlog. So I will probably come right back outside with my peanut butter and jelly toast, and it's gonna be a good day. It is prime tanning time right now, so of course I wanted to come and lay out for a little bit. Oh my god, that was a dragonfly. And that reminds me, when I came and sat down, I of course always shake off the pillows just in case there's any bugs, and lo and behold, there was a massive daddy long legs right on the side of this pillow, and I would have put my hair right on it. So good thing I checked. I disposed of it. I didn't kill it. I just flicked it off somewhere, so it'll probably come back and get me in a little bit. But for now, I'm just sitting here with my eyes peeled, listening to my playlist and hoping that no bugs come and get me anytime soon. Nice! After what feels like 3 hours, we finally got that floating phone. No, my mom's on a call. Sorry. After like 3 hours, or what feels like 3 hours, we finally got the float completely inflated. So I'm gonna lay out for a little bit and get warm and also get a little bit of a tan, and then eventually I will end up going in the pool. Of course, have to check for daddy long legs. I'm not playing around here, buddy. I was living the definition of my best life for the past hour and a half, 2 hours. At one point, I wish you guys were able to see me. I was laying out on our new float. I had a White Claw in hand, and I was just baking in the sun, in the pool, all by myself. And it was so relaxing and so nice. These really are the few perks of being unemployed as a post-grad student. Of course, I'm very much still actively looking for a job, but in the meantime, I'm very grateful to be able to live this life and just be able to have this house to come out to. I do not take it for granted. Anyway, I decided to come inside because I was craving something salty to hold me over before dinner, and I forgot that I have these seaweed snacks in the pantry. I got these from Mom's Organic Market in Baltimore, and they're so good. Don't knock it till you try it. They're just like the easiest snack to pull out. I feel like it's the equivalent of a bag of chips, and we don't have a bag of chips, so this is the next best thing. I also need water. If you're watching this right now, go get a glass of water and drink up. So it's 8 o'clock now, haven't spoken to you guys in a second, and I figure I can just tell you what I've been up to, and it is not much. Over the past like 2 hours, I've pretty much just been sitting right there in my bed, and I was editing a video and rewatching New Girl, and I realized I didn't tell you guys that I did end up finishing How I Met Your Mother a few weeks ago. It is my all-time favorite show. Those of you who watched my vlogs throughout March and April know how much I was just obsessed with that show, and I did finish it. The ending was incredibly disappointing. I'm sure all of you guys who have watched the show know what I'm talking about. It's just so incredibly disappointing. The show. Are you kidding? But regardless, it's still my favorite show. So definitely looking for something else to watch if you guys have any recommendations for me. But for now, I'm more than happy rewatching New Girl for literally, if we're being honest, I think it's the 7th time. I was just hanging out downstairs with my mom a little bit as she makes dinner. I of course had to pour myself a glass of wine because I've just had such a hard day. And I'm gonna go see if she needs help setting the table or anything. It's only 9:40 in the morning right now, and I already finished making my breakfast and making my coffee, which somehow turned out better this morning than it does every other morning. Even though every morning I think it's pretty freaking amazing, it turned out really good this morning. So I'm trying to savor every single sip. Last night I also ended up painting my nails, which was long overdue, and I wanted to do so before today, because today's gonna be a really exciting day. And obviously I'm going to be vlogging it for you guys, but I think this vlog might be long enough as is, so I'm gonna extend it into the next one. So I figure I can just end this one off right now. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. It makes me so happy when you are interested, and if you leave me a comment down below, that would mean even more to me. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye. Double hand.